Kung may choice ako ngayon, uulitin ko pa ba din maging isang seaman? Well, it's not a very easy and straightforward question actually. I'm not answering this as a young and upcoming seafarer. I'm answering this actually, sinasagot ko itong tanong na ito coming from my experience na matagal na sa dagat. Marami na akong napagdaanan, marami na akong experience, and most of all, marami na rin akong namimiss. You know, iba ang sagot ngayon actually. Before, it's a big oo sa akin. It's a big yes, to be honest. You know, because bata ka pa, you know, the opportunity is there. It's opportunity of earning good earnings and opportunity to actually travel the world, you know, experience. There's still so much to actually learn when you're younger, to be honest. And then, you know, and all the trimmings that comes with it as a young seafarers. Bakit hindi na ganun kadali ngayon? Well, there is a lot of answers to that because of sa edad ko ngayon, you know, time especially to the loved ones, the family, maraming and most of all, alam mo na, mas malinaw na yung mga kapalit. And another thing, you know, it's not hindi na puro adventure na ang inatupag mo actually. Ang totoo, to be honest, it really depends what stage of life you are. You know, you know, because it's not one size fits all, to be honest. It's you know, depende ang sagot is depende, you know, on what stages of life where actually you are. Is that correct? Something like that. Para sa mga nagtatanong, hindi ko sasabihin, you know, oo agad. Hindi ko rin sasabihin no. To be honest, no, hindi ko rin sasabihin na wag. The biggest question is, you have to ask yourself, you know, ano ang kaya mong i-surrender, i-give up, isusuko. At this moment in time, I'm not hindi ako nagsisisi sa mga desisyon ko. You know, kasi marami naman akong natutunan. You know, I've been through quite a lot, you know. It helps me financially, plus it teaches me so much in life. Being at sea have given me, to be honest, quite a lot. Der, musta mo ka? Okay na ka? If I get asked like, you know, nagsisisi ka ba? No, not at all. You know, I respected whatever decision I made when I was young, back when I started 35 years ago. Kasi ito ang pinili ko noon. So, well, tatanggapin ko siya ngayon, you know. Thank you as always sa pakikinig. Until next time.